It's a beautiful day. You're tooling along, loving the drive, when the unthinkable happens. Nobody's hurt, which is great, but your car needs help. What do you do now? Why, you start up your time machine, of course. Just flip a few levers, turn a couple dials, crank up the gigawatts, and whoosh! You go back in time and prevent the accident from ever happening. Okay, so you don't have a time machine, but you do have something that can help. The collision assistance feature of your Ford Pass mobile app. This powerful little collection of code contains a step-by-step guide for what you should do right after an accident. It will tell you what information to get from the other driver, how to use your phone's camera to document the accident, help find alternate transportation, a reliable towing service, and it will show you the location of the nearest Ford-certified collision network repair center. These shops have the experts, the tools and training, and the original Ford parts to restore your car to its pre-accident condition. It's like the accident never happened, just like you went back in time. Collision assistance on the Ford Pass app. Go to collision.ford.com to learn more.